In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit the navigation bar on Squarespace. This tutorial is designed to guide you through the process step by step. So let's get started. For those new to Squarespace, the navigation bar is a key component of your website, helping visitors find their way around. Editing it can enhance the user experience and refine the look and feel of your site. To begin, you'll want to navigate to your Squarespace homepage. Once you're logged into your account, you'll be brought to your main dashboard. Here, you'll see an array of options, but we're interested in the area labeled Website. Go ahead and click on Website, which will take you deeper into the customization tools available on Squarespace. Next, you'll be looking for the Pages section. This is where you can manage and organize the pages on your site. So, click on Pages. Now, this action will open up the interface where you can see all the pages currently residing on your site. You'll notice the layout mimics the navigation structure on your live site, offering a visual reference as you make changes. With the Pages view open, look for the option that says Edit. Clicking this will enter you into edit mode, where alterations to your website can be made. You'll want to locate a further option here named Edit Site Header. This is crucial because the site header is where the navigation bar resides. Clicking on Edit Site Header allows us to delve specifically into the navigation settings. After you click on Edit Site Header, focus your attention on a subcategory labeled Navigation. This section is your playground for tweaking the navigation bar. Once you're here, click again on Edit. This action will unlock the ability to rearrange or edit the current navigation links. Now, let's talk about moving content around. You'll see the pages listed within your navigation, and you can select any content to reposition. Simply drag and drop it to your desired location within the navigation bar. This adjustment shifts how links appear when the site is live, so take a moment to consider the order that makes sense for your visitors. And finally, once you've finished making your edits, it's crucial to save your changes. Look for the Save button. Clicking Save ensures that all your hard work is not lost and that your desired configuration takes effect on your live website. Always remember to save frequently, as this habit can prevent data loss if anything goes awry. And there you have it. With these simple steps, you've successfully edited the navigation bar on your Squarespace site. Thank you for following along, and feel free to reach out for any further guidance or tips on enhancing your website's functionality.